Firstly, get the bracket and secure it with screws to the beam. Then open the cabinet door, get the cable. Hold up the cabinet and install it on the bracket. Using the cable connects the cabinet and filter press. Install the hydraulic station cable plug and then connect the line to the hydraulic station. Red wire connecting forward, blue wire connecting back, brown wire connecting pressure relief, yellow-green lines are public lines. Next, connect the wires in the cabinet. Please check the circuit diagram firstly. After that, connecting to the motors of oil pump, plate shifting, drip tray and so on. Finally, connect cabinet cooling fan wire and input wire.